Sam and Alex.
Oh, it looks like we're losing more council members. One, Sally Bagshaw, Mike O'Brien. I think we lost, yeah, Richard Conlon, Nick Licata. You guys, should I wait? Should we pause the meeting so that way we have all the council members here? No?
No, your time's running.
Oh, I know it's running. I just,
So these people go for eat a cake?
is that what they're doing?
Cake?
Just
coffee,
wondering if this
cake,
meeting even matters to them.
Restaurant? Why is people?
It's actually kind of concerning. They, when the meeting started and children were holding up signs, they came out with cameras. They were all interested for the nice little photo op they were going to have to say, hey, look, we care about you. It's disgusting, and I feel sorry for all you citizens, man. This is like the way they come in here having to beg for the basic essentials. People are out there dying in the streets, and you guys want a photo op.
Yeah, please help us.
Please, please, you guys want to take a picture with us? We got our signs, too. You want to pull your cameras out? You guys aren't doing your jobs effectively. You guys aren't a part of the citizens. You speak as though everything's okay, like everything, all your friends are doing okay. You're doing okay, but guess what? Things aren't okay. 80% of Americans have no money right now. We are going down. Federal government just had a shutdown. We had a fiscal cliff in our own state back 6 months ago. And then you guys are whining to help with King County about the 17% Metro cut. Well, guess what? We have no more money. It's relying on you guys to find out where to get the money from. And we have 15,000 people making $100,000 in the state of Washington. You guys could limit how much you're making, how much everybody in each department's making. Why are you guys just keep taking our money? You keep saying, I'm sorry, we don't have enough. And you never cut your salaries for years. That's a good point. Never cut your salary.
Never cut $1.
You have the arena with $200 million. Give us $200 million. We'll be happy to build some housing for some people. I'm pretty sure everyone here, there's a couple nonprofits that could build housing for the homeless or housing for people that need it. Any of you guys could just wake up one moment, be a squeaky wheel, change the process, but you don't because you're a part of the aristocratic cycle, a part of the people doing good. You're not a part of the citizens. Right now we have government mafia and citizens, and we must come beg to you every time. You guys have control of the police force, the jails, and our money. We're threatened every time we come in here. You need to start doing something.
Start Alex's time, please.
And quit stealing other citizens' time when someone's at the mic. You're just being a dick.
Hi, my name is Alex Zimmerman. You're very nice people. I like you. You build something, 620,000 people live in this city. You build a pyramid, a tunnel, who will cost $5 billion. Human history from Pharaoh for 7,000 years don't have analogy. But a small city like this built a pyramid what has cost almost $5 billion. My question very simple. You freaking idiot understand how many houses for poor, for senior citizen, for everybody we can build for $5 billion? No, because you're freaking idiot. You're a degenerate idiot. You don't understand. We built a bridge 520. Microsoft wants this. Microsoft cooperate with a couple $100 billion every year. When salary for bosses $1 million, senior citizen need pay $3, $4. Are you freaking idiot? Exactly. You're a degenerate idiot. $200 million for Arena. We're talking about this for last couple of years when Arena start. Give this $200 million Stand Up America if we will bring room for everybody in this city. I swear I will do in this. Give us $200 million. What is it good for Arena? So what is we don't use another arena for poor people? It's good. We can cover this and build a big house for everybody. You don't doing this. Why? Because you're freaking a mafia, a gangster, a bandito. When this will be stopped? When? Nobody knows this. Every year, again, and again, and again. 25 years, nothing changed better. Go worse and worse and worse. 10,000 homeless. Every year, 10,000 homeless. Every year, 50% of children, people dying. You're a crook, you're a killer. When this will be stopped? Freaking idiot. No, forgot. Killers. Oh, I'm forgot. You again killers.
Time's up, Alex. You're always so gracious.
So, Mr. Burgess, if I may for just a moment.
Why something wrong?
Sam, the last time that you guys came out with an epithet directed at one of the council members, I had warned you that it would be a 2-week pause in your ability to do public comment. You're free to come into chambers. You're free to attend any of the meetings. I'm not banning you from the room. But based on your last one, and you guys know exactly what you're doing. We put up with a lot from you guys. So 2 weeks. 2 weeks.
We complain about this because it's not legal. You cannot
It's official, 2 weeks.
You're not a boss.
Actually, she is, yeah.
Well, I just got 86 to be able
Thanks.
to speak in public comment. Can you give me a response?
Yeah.
Email me at least.
For 2 weeks.
Email me, okay? Let me know.
Jen,
Freedom of speech,
Jen Calliope.
a fascist Gestapo principle.
Jen Calliope, followed by Heidi Jackson.